Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button.
Join our Facebook group, Discovering Newfoundland.
Good morning, Walter.
Good morning.
So the house looks great.
Thank you.
Love the colors. You've done a lot. Do you want to walk us through a little bit?
Yeah, it's been a long road, but we finally got the exterior done. It's not showing its best right now. We've been doing a lot of millwork inside, and we've been doing all the cuts outside to keep the dust down. So she's pretty covered in dust, but it's still looking pretty great, even on a gloomy day like today. But she's 100% complete outside, really. The structure itself, we still got some work to do. We're taking in the fence and cleaning up the yard and the trees and whatnot, but the building itself is done.